Hello YouTube, this is Mohsin from Two Dudes and a Nerd. Welcome to our channel and thank you for your likes, subscribe and comments. And if you haven't subscribed till now and you like what we're doing, then kindly drop us a like and a subscribe. Thank you. Now me, as in I'm a cat person. Okay? I love cats. Some people just love cats and some just don't. And seriously, I don't know what kind of evil people they are that they don't love cats. I mean, how can you hate cats? I mean, they're so cute, so amazing. Today we are going to look at LoL cats. Yay! Okay, so without further wasting any time, let's start with LoL cats. So this is our first picture. They're like, good job guys, keep going, keep going. Loot it. So this cat, she's just so there's a cat which looks really sad, and the caption is spent all day hunting a delicious mouse, human won't eat it. Now that happens all the time with my cat. That's a combo cat. All for me? I killed a mouse for you. I would do anything for you. Anything. I are serious cat. Please you step in my office now. Human, I request your assistance. Holy crap, I'm Batman. No. I'm Batman. Now this caption is just hilarious. Say nothing. They'll blame the dog. My dear human, food will not serve itself. Oh. Cat reading the paper. It's peanut butter jelly time. It's peanut butter jelly. Yay! Oh, cat emotions is like, oh my god. And it. Oh. Oh. Somewhere in this room is a ninja cat. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Stella! I know skunk poo. Boom, headshot! Grammar cat. Grammar cat is spelling words correctly. I don't like you anymore. Now that's the look my cats give me when I give her a bath. I fix your ears. I eat you now, okay? You still mad? Seriously, who can get mad at a cat, dude? They're just so damn adorable. I farted. And she says, stop laughing. Cats are not funny. She disapproves. I is mixing your beats. If I fits, I sits. Seriously, if a cat can fit into something, she'll sit in it. Oh, someone is gonna be assassinated by a ninja. Proceed. Bring me the cheeseburger. No, Your Honor, I is innocent. I didn't do nothing. Alright, gentlemen. How do we kill Superman? Look at their cute faces and this evil plot. I love you. Wait for it. So the guy is fishing and cats are waiting. The moment he gets a fish out, they're gonna run away with it. I hate everything. There is no chance. There is no chance for us. They would never understand. Helper cat is helping. I want a helper cat. They're actually dancing. Bipedal cat is next stage of evolution. Oh, see that cat standing like a humanoid. I can have prom date. How cute that is. Your kung fu is good, but you are no match for me. Ha ha ha. I need complete silence if I am to save this world. Wow. I hope she finds a cure for Corona. I is not a mallow. How cute. Curse you, villain. If I is like statue, the humans will not see me. Transformer cat is not amused. She's gonna heal us. Suction cat is watching. She's like, she's watching us. Pilot cat. Your password is failed. Entry are denied. Oh, a cat selfie. What got two paws and pooped on your keyboard last night? This guy. Oh, you think I'm cute? Now clean my poop. Ungrateful human. It was a gift. Why does the human slave keep stealing my poop with a tiny shovel? Evil cat is suspicious of your activities. Oh, you are going to pay for what you did today, human. So that's said and done, guys. This was our video. Kindly like, subscribe and share if you like what we do here. Okay, see you till next time. Nerds out.